We are all very much against from the Congress party and from the opposition united. We are against the implementation of VBG Ramji, and we are very much for the Mahatma Gandhi Narendra scheme, which has been introduced in 2020 under the leadership of Shri Manmohan Singh ji. And after 20 years, the BJP government wants to change the name of Manrega, MG Narega, to VBG Ramji. There are many loopholes in the new bill which was introduced by Shivraj Singh Chauhan, wherein he said across the country there are many malpractices and faults which are happening in mismanagement of funds, which is happening in the rural sector under the Manrega scheme. Now our question is, does the central government require 12 long years to realize the mismanagement of funds? That is the first question. And secondly, they are along with the change in the name, now Ramji, RAM, what does RAM symbolize? They want to use communal disharmony in the country. You cannot bring Sri Ram in the name of schemes wherein emotionally you are hurting the sentiments of the people. We are not against the introduction of any names of gods or goddesses. Our only concern is, do not change the soul of the scheme. We want you to retain the soul of the scheme, wherein this panchayat level, at the village panchayat level, the Gram Sabha and the village panch should have complete control over the schemes and development works which are happening in the village limits. Under the new scheme, the central government is proposing a sharing of, the earlier sharing was 90-10. As per the new law, the funding will be 60-40, wherein the central government will be funding 60% of the total cost and 40% will be borne by the state government. Now what kind of policy is this? The states are already under heavy burden, debt burden, and the states themselves have various schemes which they have to implement. And in case of Karnataka, very clearly our CM Siddaramaiah sir has told, we contribute around, for every 1 rupee we contribute as a GST collection to the central government, we are only getting 13 paisa. So imagine the plight of the states wherein they have to conduct so many welfare schemes and development works. How will the state bear additional burden of 40%? Slowly the intention of the central government is to see that this scheme dies off. So that is the whole purpose. What we are requesting the central government is, first of all, please do not change the scheme, like how they introduced the farm bills earlier and the farmers went on strike for 1.5 to 2 long years.